In front of me is VIVO iQOO Z10 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Now select Consent in the pop-up. Click on this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those options however you want to. You can check out Preview at the top. If you want to try something more interesting, you can always select presets on the left. Click on the best one. Tap on Yes and manage all of its options. When you finished, click at the top right corner. Sorry, misclick. And bottom right corner. Then select Set as Safe Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Apply at the bottom right corner here and decide where by choosing one of those options, Home Screen or Lock Screen and Home Screen. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!